Raihana. We're going to start now. This is now, you can use your calculators. Come, Ilhan, Raihana, turn on the videos. Come. We are going to start with question 1 and 2. Lah. Okay. Again, this is practice for your mid-year exam. So this is...
Sure.
Yes?
I finished my mid-year exam already.
Ready? So fast. When do you finish it? This week?
Yeah, yesterday.
How was it?
Okay.
Was it easy? Okay, or easy, difficult, or how? Did you tell me? Did you update me? In fact, if you did, we should have had the session earlier then. Oh.
Okay, I studied before Saho.
Oh. So how is it? You can do the paper?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Very good. Okay, come. Let's start. Ilhan, come. Let's start on this. Come. Let's not waste time. We have Ilhan. Oh, Ilhan boy. No, it's another one. There's another Ilhan. Okay, we go for all prime factors, numbers between 20 and 30. So for Rahana should be chicken feet now. So Rahana, you finish your English exam, right?
Yeah.
What's left?
Science. No, science is a project. The rest are projects.
Malay? Finish.
Yeah, Malay was just now.
Okay, come. Remember, prime numbers are numbers that can be divided by 1 and itself. It's only 2 numbers can be divided by 1 and itself. Okay, you can send your answers for question number 1. Do you have any stuff that you're not using? I'm not using. I'm not using. This one. Okay, Sophia, we're doing question 1 and 2. Come send your answers over and turn on your video last. Those of you whose videos are off, Ilhan and Sophia, and who else? 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought there's more. Shafika, is Zahira coming? You don't know. Don't know. Let's see. Okay, we have the first answer. Oh, cannot be lah. 27 can divide by 3. 27 can divide by 9. 21 can divide by 3. 21 can divide by 7. Cannot. 21. So you have your answer there. 25 can divide by 5. Gasak buta lah. GB.
Is it 23 and 29?
23 and 29. But you have told everyone the answer. Okay, yes. The answers are 23 and 29. So why are you wearing your mask inside the house?
Oh no, it's not a mask. It's not a mask.
No mask.
Niqab.
You're wearing niqab now. Wow. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first one is 23 and 29. These two numbers can only divide by 1 and 23. So congratulations, but please do not tell answer. Try to arrange it. Okay, if you, yeah. We want you to arrange in the size of smallest.
So can I off my video for a while?
Yeah, okay. Okay, you can use a calculator for this one. Use a calculator for this one. What's the difference between the first and second? 1.1, 1.1. Sorry, something is wrong with one of the questions here. Oh, there's supposed to be a dot. Down here, there's supposed to be a dot on top here. That means it's a recurring 7. Okay, I repeat, this has a dot on top. It means 1.777777777777. You have to use your calculator lah. This one. For some of them you have to, unless you can, like the actually you don't need to use calculator. Or you need, maybe you need. You may need it.
The second one is 1.7
with a dot on top. There's a dot on top there. Okay, I'll write it again. Okay, so down here, this means there's a dot on top here. This means anytime there's a dot, it means it's repeated. So this number is 1.77777777. Come on, girls, boys, we are waiting. The world is waiting for you. So you need to use your calculator. Ilhan, you okay? Ilhan, are you lying down? Come. Cik Pia, please return. Cik Pia, we missed you in your niqab. Where you go? We can see just a angel's wing. A mosquito wing. I repeat, you need to use your calculator. If you don't use a calculator, it might be, I don't know how you're going to calculate the. Guys, you're a little bit slow lah. Come on.
I don't understand this. I
You don't
understand,
understand the question.
but I don't know the second one.
This one.
It's dot on top, yeah, but I don't know.
So which one is bigger?
The first one.
1.7 or 1.77777?
1.7.
The next one, right? This one is bigger, right?
Oh,
It's like you are having $1.77 down here. I can see. But it's not more than 77. They will give you a little bit more, very little more. So this one is bigger lah, for sure. Okay. So you try now. Let us see. We have some answers coming in. Ilhan. So sorry, Mr. Ilhan. You were not careful to look at this one now down here. There is a minus sign down here. There is a minus sign down here. You know when there's a minus sign, what it means? It means something. Sophia, Sophia, where are you? Sophia, Sophia, where are you? Sophia, where are you? Come back. Who's not here? I got to check lah.
Sabrina and Sophia. Zahira.
Zahira, okay. Zahira, I got the message from mother. Sabrina is sick, so Zahira lah, maybe Zahira. Tell the mama. And here his laptop is problematic. So okay, anyone? So okay, let's see. Second attempt. Well done, Mr. Ilhan. That's a good way to do it. Let me see. Yes, almost. Yeah, you're correct. Congratulations, Mr. Ilhan. And what about Shafika? Shafika, almost there. Shafika, almost there. Almost there. Now, okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? Very easy. Okay, what about Miss Sophia? Are you there now, Sophia? Don't you just turn off your video and then you pretend not to be there? Okay, I do not know whether Hannah is there. She might be smiling now, but okay, first of all, we have a number line. I'll draw a number line. This is a number line. This is 0. This one is a -1, -2. So you must know that the minus numbers are small numbers. So down here now, these two numbers are small. Which one is smaller? You got to find out what is, okay, this one you can use your calculator, get -1.75. You find the square root. Look out for inside your calculator. There's a square root sign. This one. You can see now this one. You this thing here. What you do is you put in the value 3. Okay, I'm going to put in the value 3. And then you press equal lah. Can you see the number? 1.732. Let's take it 1.73 lah. So now this one means it becomes -1.73. This one is -1.75 is closer to 2. So this one down here will be here. This one, this thing down here, somewhere around here will be this one here, -1.75. And then the other one, -1.73 will be maybe somewhere around here lah, let's say lah, will be this one. So this is the smallest, number 1. Okay, so -134. This is smallest. Then after that, second smallest minus square root. Now between these two, this is 1.7, this is 1.7777. Of course, 1.7 is the next bigger one, and the biggest is 1.7 with a dot on top lah. Okay, that's it. Is it difficult or easy? I do not know. If you find it difficult, we got to check lah. We got to check. Shafika, are you okay, Shafika? What are you doing, Shafika? You seem to be doing something else. Okay, we try now. Okay, this is in honor of those of you who are BTS fans. What is the idea? Hold on.
Do A and B.
A and B, A and B, A and B. Okay, must remember some of the key. Yeah. Key points about significant figures. Number
Yes,
B
sir.
is, yes, miss.
Zahira said if she join her camera,
Okay, she can off the camera lah. Up to her. So long she doesn't miss the lessons, How come? I hope she's wearing a makeup or something. You wearing
the
makeup?
camera spoil.
Oh, okay lah. Okay. So long as we try to focus, because in Zoom, remember you all are treated as adults now. So you have to put in the effort. I can only do my best to call you only. All I can do is call. Iblis also can do that also. Allah says in the Quran, Iblis can only call you. But we listen to him, habis. But you are supposed to listen to me, not to Iblis, okay? All right, let's see. Wow. Shafika, good try, but your first one is incorrect. Incorrect means not correct, yeah? Doesn't mean inside the correct. Let's see. Heian, welcome, Heian. If you cannot turn on your camera, it's okay, Heian. You try question 3A and 3B. You can WhatsApp me if you, yeah. Ilhan can do, Ilhan. Now, question
Can I see
D.
the first one?
Yeah, what's the first one? You send me, or you want to tell? Why you cannot send me? Okay, what's your answer?
0.02214.
This girl, it's good, Congratulations. Hey, hold on. Zahira is here in. Oh, not yet. Okay, Ilhan is not to the nearest 1,000, it's to the nearest 100. The first one, Ilhan, no. This number is very small, 0.00 is less than 1. One whole is so much bigger than this. Okay, your next, your second attempt for your B is correct. All right, we try. Yeah. Now the first one, some of you may forget. That's the purpose of this practice. But some of you say your SA1 is over already. So, okay, free Wi-Fi. Oh. Okay, let us see who has sent the answers. Hayan, what about you, Hayan? Are you able to do this, Hayan? Shafika, I don't hear from you, Shafika. Shafika, what are you doing, Shafika? Try this question. Don't do the other things. Don't draw cartoon and all. Shafika. I'm not drawing cartoon. I'm up in the tree of Mi'raj. Isra Mi'raj. Which one is going up? Isra. Mi'raj. Mi'raj naik. Okay. Mi'raj yang naik. Anybody? Come on. Okay, I will have to show you how to do 3A lah. You all have forgotten. Not all of you. The one who's gotten it correct is a girl by the name of Raihana. Congratulations, Miss Raihana. Okay, so I am now going to give you now the question now here. Now, if you are given now 0.003, let's see, 0.001. 2, 7, 0.00123. They ask you now to correct to two significant figures. Imagine, if let's say you correct to two significant figures for this one, and then you count 1, 2. So your answer is 0.00. Then this one 0.0. Can you see that? It's nothing. So now you must remember, when there is a decimal, significant figures don't count the zero. Don't count the zero. You start down here. So 1, 2, look at this one now. Oh, this one, 0.0013. If it's two, you must, if they say two significant figures, you must have two numbers down here after the zero. Then down here, you can see the difference now. 0.00, so 1, 2 also. But now you look at this, you don't plus 1, 1, 2. You can have a difference. You have a difference. So again, you must count from where? From the non-zero. So let's say now you have 0.0, or let's say 0.1001. You must already start counting now here, because this is not zero. So if two significant figures, this is this and this. Three significant figures up to here. Okay. So if three significant figures, the answer is 0.100. You do not count the zero if, let's say, the zero are before the other numbers. Okay, so you try this now. You try this. Shafika, you are supposed to try to get this one right, Shafika. Come on, try this one. Your first zero is not counted, Shafika. Don't count the first zero. Okay, count it from 2. We want 3 significant figures. Okay, Ilhan. Yeah, but Ilhan, that number now is so big. The number is so big. That means you must write.
So what's the question?
No, you already done already. Can you do 3B, please?
Okay.
You do 3B, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to show you, okay, how to do this one. So 0.021394. Now they want 3 significant figures. 0, you don't count. So you count 1, 2, 3. Look at this number. Do you plus 1 or not? See, yes, must plus 1. So the answer is 0.0214. You must write like that. You cannot just write 214. Cannot. The answer will be wrong. Okay. You must write 0.0214. This is a very small number. Okay, we move on to the next one. The next one now. Correct to the nearest 100. Let us see. Congratulations, Rahana. So nearest 100 is this one, nearest 100. So you must look at this thing down here. Okay. So must you plus 1? Yes, you must plus 1. No, you don't plus 1, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you don't plus 1. So the answer is 3, 5, 7, 0, 0. Now, if you're confused, send me a message. I will go through more of this next time, okay, or later today. If you're confused, please send me. I cannot read your mind. I cannot read your mind because some of the videos are on, some videos are off. I do not know. So you must be able to inform me. This is how to do. Find the fraction that is exactly between 2/5 and 4/7. You can use your calculator, no problem. But the question is how? My clue I give you. You can make them the same denominator, then you can see. Make them the same denominator, then you can see. Ilhan, make them the same denominator. Ilhan, you look very tired already, Ilhan. Ilhan, you played basketball today. Later, I will get some of the students here and all to challenge you, and the girls. Ilhan says I'll beat all of them. Okay, let's see. You have not played with Sophia yet. Sophia, you play basketball, Sophia? No. Netball? No. Netball play. It's like netball, same thing. Only thing. Change it to 35. That's one way.
I don't know number 4.
Yeah, change it to 35 then you can see the pattern. Change it to 35. We wait for the rest. I'm waiting for Hayan. Hayan, are you in? Ian, is this here? See, I got 3% without videos on. Very bad. Try to fix your internet, some of you. You change it to 35, you can see the pattern, you can see the light. All right, Shafika's sending me a message. Yes, let's see. Congratulations, Miss Shafika. Well done. Husna Shafika. Why don't you turn on your video, Husna Shafika? You have nothing wrong with your video. Just because cousin turn off video, you also join cousin. Cousin, I do not know what's happening, cousin. Cousin Zahira, you must message me. All right, to tell me your answer. I don't know, the last 1 month, I do not know, maybe because of puasa or something, you are, sorry, Mr. Ilhan, you, I think, added both of them. You should not add them. Okay, in 1 minute's time, I will show you the answer. Hen, are you in? Hen? If you're not, Hen, are you in? Oh, Hen, you're in. Okay, yes. Hen, you know how to do not? Oh, Hen, okay, congratulations, you got it. Okay, well done. So you move on to the next one. Those who can do, move on to the next one. Yes, I will go through this question now. So you take the denominator to be 35. Now how you times this by? You times by 7. Then you times this by 7 also lah. Okay. And then you times this by what? 7 times 5, right? So you times this by 5. So what do you get now? You get this thing now becomes 14. 14 over 35. Okay, and this thing becomes 20 over 35. Now what number is between the two? Say, I don't know, I don't know. Okay, I show you. You say you don't know. Let's say lah. If you say you don't know, 14, 20, 20. Yeah. Let's move one step above. 15 is the next number. This one step less. 19. Good. Next one, 16. Good. This one, 14, 15, 16. 17. Good. Right? So, 14, 15, 16. Sorry, 15, 16. Sorry. 20. Okay, just a moment. Is it exactly? Okay, we come to that in a moment. Yeah, 55 is correct. 55 degrees is correct. So, okay, this is, we do another method. I'll show you another method. I thought this one 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 5, right? 15, 16, 17, 18. I missed out 18, ya Allah. That's why I was wondering, how come I cannot show you the thing? Hey, guys, if I make a mistake, please correct me lah. This one is a counting mistake, you can correct me. Okay, so can you see now? In the center down here is 17. Can you see now? You see down here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you see now? It's right in the center. So the one that we have in the center is 17. Do you get it? Let's say now, if you still cannot get it, I'll show you now. Even clearer. This is 14 over 35. You can see now. This, all of them is over 35 lah, over 35. Over 35. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This, the fourth one is the center one, 17 over 35. Okay, another method. Another method is this. Okay, I'm going to show you the other method. Another method is to take both of them. Add both of them, divide by 2. You see, you want to find the center number. Okay, you take 2 over 5 plus 4 over 7. 2 over 5, you say 14, right? Okay, then over 35 plus 5 over 7. That one you got 20, right? Okay, so, sorry, you plus this. So what do you get? You get altogether 34, right? So what must you do? Down here, Ilhan, you need to do one more step. You divide this by 2 lah. You divide by 2, you will get the center. So 34 divided by 2 gets 17. And 17 of 35, that's the answer. So you can add both of them, divide by 2. If you are not clear of that, you arrange them like what I show you. And then take the center. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, if you do not know what's a reflex angle, you have obtuse angle is more than 90. Reflex angle is more than 180. So when I ask you for ABD, angle ABD here, this angle ABD, there's two possible angles. It could be, this is angle ABD. It's always the center one we are talking about. It could be this angle, or it could be the angle around here. In this case, when they say reflex, this is the reflex angle. Reflex angle is more than 180 degrees. Okay, so they will not be asking you for this angle because you know it's 55 what. So they're asking you for the reflex angle. That's for question B, for those of you who have already completed. So very easy, question A. Sophia, what's the answer for question A? 5A. In 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2.
Should I get it right?
Yes, you. Okay, I have 3%. Congratulations. And I like Raihana's answer. You know why? Zahira, well done, Zahira. I'm so happy to get a message from you. I feel after this, tomorrow, if let's say this was not yet buka puasa. Now, Raihana's answer is very good. You know why? Because she even give the reasons. She says this is 55. Why? Because of the Z. Now, what is the Z? What is the Z here? So, do you know what you call this Z now? This is called alternate angles. So she put alternate angles. Well done. Well done. So if you know the reason, that means you are very good. Okay, very good in the sense that if they ask you for reasons, you can explain. Okay, so this is 55. There's a Z down here because it's parallel. It's called alternate angles. Well done. Okay. All right. So we move on to the reflex angle now. Reflex angle. Reflex angle for question. Okay, Rahana, well done. Hayan, well done. Ilhan, try again. Zahira, waiting for you. Come on. Reflex angle, you know how to find this one. Come on. You already know this is 55. You know what this is. Shafika, where are you, Shafika? You are doing something else, Shafika. You are somewhere in the sky, Shafika. Come back to earth, please, Shafika. Shafika, inside she's smiling in her heart. She's wondering, how can I catch her? I know. Okay, come. Congratulations, Zahira. Congratulations, Zahira. Congratulations, Ilhan. Okay, very simple lah. Okay, we show Shafika what to do. Otherwise, she'll be faster actually, but she's doing something else. 360 minus 55 lah, get 305. 360 minus 55, get 305. That's it. Okay, congrats. Oh, sorry. There are messages here. I didn't see that. Sophia, no, so sorry. We should, if you are referring to this, I repeat, do not take 180 degrees. If you take 180 degrees, that means you are saying this is a straight line. Let's say I draw this in blue. This one is correct. This one is 125 lah. This one down here. But this is the reflex angle. Reflex angle, as I say, is more than 180. Is this part down here. Okay, imagine now this is someone talking down here. Okay, with the teeth down here. Okay, this is the teeth. This is now, this angle is acute. Reflex is the other way around. Is the behind the jaw down here. This is the angle, more than 180 degrees. Okay, so you know how to do it. I assume you know. Okay, let's move on to the next one now. The next one, a little bit of problem. You know, the Arabs, they some of them cannot say the word Pepsi, they say Pepsi. Right? In fact, they cannot say the letter P. I think, no, cannot say letter P. It will be changed to B or F? Hold on, I'm charging my line. Just a moment, I can't hear what you're saying. Hold on. Okay. All right. Any ham? You know what's ham, huh? You all know that you cannot eat ham. Ham is okay. Yes. Yes. Angle as a point. Well done, Mr. Hayan. Well done. Well done. That's the way. Ham, you all know, is pork. Pork. But if an Arab, you might be saying not pork, but fork or bok, because they can't say. Some of them can't say P. So Pakistan will be Pakistan or Pakistan or something like that. Okay, let's see. Number 6. Clue. I think Mr. Hen has, Mr. Hen, you got to check this out. A clue. Now, when you get this type of question, change all this to something that you can understand. Change to number. But notice here, this is in cents. This is in dollars. Different. My suggestion, change the dollars to cents. So why dollars is how many cents? You got to find that out. If I ask you, no, yeah, $2. So how many cents is this? $2 is equal to how many? You all know, right? $1 is 100 cents. So this is 2 times 100 or 200 cents. Oh, 200 cents. I must times by 100. Yes, you must times by 100. Why must times by 100? Because you want to change it to cents. Why you want to change it to cents? Because the price of ham is measured in cents per gram. Okay. So change it to a number that you can understand. It must make sense to you first, because as I read the questions, it doesn't make sense to me. I have to change it to a number. For example, ham costs 5 cents per gram. Okay. Shane buys some ham, and it costs her, let's say, $4. How to find how many grams of you can find. Okay, if you are blur still, I will give you now another number. This one costs 5 cents per the thing. Shane bought how much? Let's say Shane bought $2 lah, $2 down here. This one we changed to 10 cents lah. 1 gram is 10 cents. And this one now, I'm going to change it to not dollars, but I change it to also cents. Let's see. Let's say he buy 50 cents. This one buy 50 cents, not 5 cents, 50 cents. So how many grams did he buy? This person is 10 cents 1 gram. 1 gram of ham, or babi, isn't it? Of course, we don't use the babi, it's very rough. Okay. Now he buys 50 cents. How to find how many grams? Oh, very simple. Take 50 divided by 5. Then you get this. 50 divided by 10. Why 50 divided by 10? Because this is the price of 1 gram. Take the amount of money you're spending, same unit, divide by 1 gram price. 50 divided by 10, answer is 5. Oh yeah, 1 gram times 5 is 5 grams. 10 cents times 5 is 50 cents. So try to do the same thing first. Change it first to cents and then do something like this. You can do this, you can do this, you can do this. Okay, while we are doing this, I'm going to tell you some information about ham. Ham is also not allowed to Christians. In the Bible, it mentioned that they cannot eat pork. So the Jews cannot eat pork, the Christians cannot eat pork, and the Muslims also cannot eat pork. Why do Christians eat pork? Maybe they might not be following the religion correctly. Yeah? Just like you know also. Okay, again, this is the side talk for you. What? Cannot eat pork?
Christian cannot eat pork.
Yeah, in the Bible. In the Bible it says, but they are eating pork. They are eating pork. Why are they eating pork? Okay, so they believe that a new spirit has come, and so the old laws don't apply to them. But actually, some of the Christian preachers, very few of them, they say no, you're not allowed to eat pork.
I want to see
So the
that.
Jews,
I thought
you want to
last
see?
not drink alcohol, but then that one changed.
No.
Someone changed
No,
it.
no. Last time can drink alcohol. Last time can drink alcohol. Yes, but when the ruling came down, then we are not allowed. So in the olden revelation,
Why we
I
cannot drink alcohol in the first place?
think if we drink alcohol, can you imagine? It's gonna be, we already quite slow to become mabuk lagi. Thank goodness we cannot drink alcohol.
Muslim who actually drink alcohol?
Yeah, in Turkey itself, you have people drinking alcohol and they say, no, I must eat halal food, but they drink alcohol. So that is because at one point in time, about 100 years ago, in 1915 to 1920 or something, around after. No, they were forced to westernize. In fact, the azan was changed into the Turkish language. Can you imagine? In the mosque, no, someone was saying, Allah Maha Besar, Allah Maha Besar, in Malay. Can you imagine? And they're doing it Turkish. Alhamdulillah, now is gone back to normalcy. Hopefully lah. But the effect is still there because the people were forced to westernize. Okay, anyone got answer? I'm talking too much now. Oh,
I
here.
don't understand.
Hey, you don't understand. Okay, so now we are going to try one by one. First of all, if let's say if this is $2, how much change it to cents first? Because this is in cents. So how to do? I must times by 100 because every dollar is 100 cents. So Y dollars, I must change it to cents. So how to change it to cents? I times it by 100. Y times 100 is 100Y. And this is in cents. It's in cents. I'm going to put a sign separately. I put a bracket so that you understand. Again, how I get 100Y? Same thing. If you have $1, that means you got 100 cents. You got $2, we got 200 cents. You got $10 means 1,000 cents. How you get 1,000? $10 times 100. So this is 100 times Y, 100Y. This is the number of cents Shane has. Shane bought with this money. So now let's see. I'm going to do this way. 1 gram of pork, of ham is X cents. Okay. Now, you want to find how much is what? How much can you buy with 100Y cents? Correct? That's what we want to find. Look at what we do down here. We take 50 divided by 10. So you must take 100Y divided by X. And that is your answer in grams. You see, I know you don't understand, but can you understand the one down here? You see, 1 gram, let's say, is 10 cents. Let's say you want to buy 20 cents. 20 cents of pork. How many grams is this? Very easy. Divide 20 divided by 10, you get 2, correct? You divide 20 divided by 1 gram. Same thing. This one must divide by 1 gram. You get 100Y over X gram. This is your answer. See, it looks very strange. Yeah. They are just testing you as to whether you can extract the principle and apply it in letters for maths. See why they are doing that? They're so cruel. Well, what to do? That's algebra. Who created algebra? It's the Muslims who created algebra. 1,000 years ago, they created. And we 1,000 years later, we are struggling with it still. But anyway, let's try. Let's move on. You use your calculator first for this one. Use your calculator first. And tell me how you're going to write this. How are you going to write this? Use your calculator. Take 34 divided by 333. What's the answer that you get? And then tell me how are you going to write this as a decimal. You can do this. You can do this. Okay, those of you who you will get something like that, right? Am I correct? You should be getting something like that. So how to write this number? How to write this number? That is the question. So let us see whether who can write the number. Come on. Here, are you there, Hian? Zahira, where are you, Zahira? Zahira, I don't hear for you. Last time I can still remember you in primary 6. Now I don't. Okay. Almost correct, Hian. Not 3 dots, but 2 dots. Not 3 dots, but 2 dots. So, okay. Zahira, what's your answer, Zahira? Zahira doesn't want to talk to me anymore. So why I ask my mother to check on me? Okay. Sophia, what about you, Sophia? Ilhan. Can or not? Okay, if you divide, you will get this, right? Okay, again, I'll show you again. 34 divided by 333. Okay. You get 0. The answer is actually a never-ending answer. You know? That's why it's called recurring. 0, 0.102. 102. 102. 102. Hey, where does it end? 102. No end. There's no end to this. Just like you have 1 divided by 3. What is it? It's 0.33333. Is there an end? There's no end. See why there's no end? It's a recurring number. So this one 0.33333 like that. Now what do? We put a dot on here. So it becomes 0.33333. So down here, how to do? Very simple, very simple. But before I check, I want to check the answer first. Someone has sent me the answer now. Okay, Sophia, you send me an answer, you are correct, but you need to have some dots now. So where's the dot? Okay, here, watch this carefully. You write 0.102. You use only 2 dots. What is recurring? Is this line. Can you see that? Is this line? Is this line? So you put the first dot on the first pattern, a number of the pattern. The first number is 1. And then you put another dot on the last number of the pattern. So this means 102, 102, 102, 102, 102, 102, 102. Do you get it? You get it? You don't know whether you're listening, so I'm going to test now. Let us test Miss Shafika. Shafika, Ika. Let's see, Shafika. You tell me, Shafika, how to do this one. Let's say there's a number like this, okay, Shafika? And then it's continuing. Okay, how to write this number, Shafika? Okay, it's continuous, it continues. Shafika, tell me how to just unmute yourself. Tell me how to write this number. Okay, 0. Okay, 0. This one, Shafika, 0. Right, the pattern is repeated all the time. Can you see now the pattern?
1, 3, 4, 5, 2.
So where do we put the dot? Do we put 5 dots, 4 dots, 3 dots, 2 dots, 1 dot? 1 dot where?
Wait. 1.
1 where? On top of 1 eh?
Two.
2 down here. So this
Yeah.
means 0.134522222. That's what it means, because you're saying the 2 is repeated all the time. Sorry, one more dot, one more dot. Where should I put one more dot? Anyone, anyone, anyone? Sophia, Sophia, Sophia. Sophia, 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 what are you doing, Sophia? I can see you're not doing that, Sophia. Where do I put one more dot, Sophia? Down here, see 102, 102, 102, 102. First and the last. So the first and the last. So this means 13452, 13452, 13452. You put on the first dot and the last dot. Okay, I hope you are clear. Hope you are clear, but do not know whether you are clear or not. Do not know. Bring this now as a fraction in its lowest term. Allah Akbar. This means there's a dot on here. You know what it means, huh? 1.233333333. So your clue is to find out what fraction gives you this answer. There's a fraction, when you divide, you get this answer. This more teka-teki lah. It's a never-ending number. I give you a clue lah. It's over 30. Something over 30. You find what this number is, you can get. Something over 30. No, that one will be 1.333, 1.3. Okay, anyone? Try. Oh, congratulations, Ilhan. Ilhan found a number 7 divided by 30 get 0.233333. So you just down here put a number 1 in front. So you get 1, 7 over 30. So you can use your calculator and you can try different numbers. You try 1 divided by, for example, 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8. Do you get 1 divided by 8? You don't get, right? 1 divided by 9, do you get? 1 divided by 8, you may not get. 1 divided by 9, you may get. So you can experiment, do some experiments with your calculator, find out what are numbers, and then you see. So 1 divided by 8 is 0.125. 1 divided by 9, you get 0.111111111. Okay, but anyway, I'll move on, okay? I hope you're still with me, huh? Okay, we have another 34, 35 minutes more. Okay, I'm going to go to, maybe I'll go to the last ones. This one down here, that we have the... Now, when they say solve, means they want you to find out what's the value of x. To do this, remember, bring the x on one side, bring the numbers on the other side. And go, please. You can do A and B. You can choose to do this one first, then after bring over, up to you. Okay, you can choose to bring over first, no problem. Remember, you want to have the x on one side equal, then after the other numbers on another side, so you can find what's the value of x. I know it might be, some of you might feel blurred this, but yeah. Then after that, you solve the next one. Just give me 1 second. Give me 1 moment. Okay, I'm getting some answers here. Let's see. Number 3. I don't think that's a right answer here. Okay, answer key says no, it's not. Okay, never mind. We will. Yes, 3 is correct. 3 is correct, but not 1/3. Ilhan, correct. 3 is correct. Okay, so the answer according to answer key is 3, but the question is how to get that. Can you try figure it out again? Okay, I will show you in a moment. 3x minus 2, you're not solving yet. If you say 3x minus 2, they want you to find what's the value of. Okay, so you follow what I do. Okay, you follow what I do. Okay, now you have this x here. Is this x positive or negative? This is positive, right? So we are going to bring over to the other side. When you bring over, it becomes negative. Okay, so you have 6x now down here. Positive x, now we bring over become negative x. Okay, so now this one is gone already. This is gone already. This 2x now plus 2x, you bring over becomes minus 2x. Okay, so now this one is also gone already. This one is also gone. So what is left now? We have minus 7 is still on this side, equals to minus 10 plus 12. So what I want to do, I want to bring this minus 7 over that side now. Okay, I can work this out. 6x minus x minus 1x is 5x. 5x minus 2x is 3x. So now I bring this over there. It becomes what? Plus 7, right? So I'm going to rearrange this. 12. This one, you see this plus 12, right? I put right in front first. Then after that, I write the next one. I just change the place so it's easier for you to calculate. 12 minus 10, then we bring the plus 7. So what is 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3x equals to 9. Okay. Like 3 bananas cost $9. What does 1 banana cost? Oh, it costs 9/3 lah. Okay. Answer is 3. So x is equals to 3. Okay. Can you try now the next one? The next one you got the times now. You know how to expand or not? You don't know how to expand? You expand first, then after that you do the same thing. You bring the x on one side, numbers on the side. See, I bring the x on one side now here. All the x I bring to this side. And all the numbers are bring to the other side. Why? I want to find out what is x. Okay, so I'm gonna clear the page, Ken, and we try the next question. Okay, you try expanding out. You don't have to expand out, right? 2 times 4x, 8x, plus 2 times 3, 6. Then you do the rest.
Sure.
Yeah,
Is the answer -7?
negative
7.
7. No, it's not. It's not. For those who need help, we check your expansion first. Let's see Heian's answer. Congratulations, Heian. You got the right answer. Well done. Okay, yeah. So now you try now. 2 times, okay. 2 times 4. Take number times number. 2 times 4 is 8. 8x. Then do the next one. 2 times 3, 6. Plus and plus is plus. Okay. Don't put equal here because you have equal down here now. Don't put equal at the side. Then the next one. 5 times 3, 15. X. Minus times plus. This is plus, this is minus. Look at your chart. Remember your chart down here. Your chart. Plus and plus give you, remember, I hope you remember, give you plus. Minus and minus give you plus also. Then plus and minus give you minus. Minus and plus give you minus. This is the same chart. So this is minus, this one is plus, you know. Minus and plus. Minus and plus give you minus lah, down here minus. Then next one, minus and minus. Minus and minus give you plus lah. A plus down here. 5 times 6, 30. That's how you can check this. Equals to 6 minus x. Now what do you do after this? Remember what you did earlier. Bring the x to the left side. Okay, bring the y, the numbers to the right side. So let us bring the x to this side first. Okay, we use another. So down here, we got to bring it there. Minus x, the sign is in front, remember? So now 8x, 8x plus x. Okay, I'm going to just rearrange it. I'm going to push it in front here. So this one is minus 15x. All right. Plus 6. Plus 6 is still the same. this is plus 6 plus 30 is equals to 6. You can do this, you can add this up actually. This one 36 already lah, plus 36. You can bring this whole plus 36 now over this side now, which makes it now 6 minus 36. Why minus 36? Because if you add this down here, it's 36 plus positive. You bring over that side, become negative lah down here. Okay, and then this one you can add 8x plus 1x or x is 9x. 9x minus 15x. Alamak, 9x minus 15x. If you do not know 9 minus 15, try this one. Take bigger number minus smaller number. 15 minus 9 is 6. Let the sign follow the bigger number, which is this one has a bigger number is minus. So minus 6x. So minus 6x is equals to 6 minus 36. Say how to do this one. You have $6, you utang 36. You pay up, you still utang 30. Say I don't know how to do this lah. Take bigger number minus smaller number. 36 minus 6 get 30. Sign follows the bigger number minus. Okay. Say how to do now like that. Very simple lah. X is equals to minus 30 divided by minus 6. Say what is 30 divided by 6? 5. Minus divided by minus, same thing. Minus minus is plus. So this is still plus. So x is equals to 5. As what here has found, x is equals to 5. If you're confused, we got to do more practice on this. Okay. All right. You move on. Okay. Anyone confused? You need me to go through again? Please tell me. What is the wah? Okay. Now, okay. All right. Here we go now. We are now going to go through the next question. This one. Don't forget how to do this one. You'll be tested on this one. Find the LCM. Say how to do the LCM. Use that method. What method? I got to show you later if you don't remember. Lowest common multiple. I give you a clue. Those who forgot, I give you a clue. I taught you this last time. Then you do.
Syahid, can I take water?
Please do. In paradise, they give you whatever you want. You all remember how to do this? This method allows you to find the HCF and the LCM. HCF are highest common factor and LCM is a lowest common multiple. You can find both methods, both items.
So Syahid,
Yes.
what time tuition end?
You
So I want to
have not eaten. Take your food now. Another 15 to 17 minutes more. 15 to 18 minutes more. Now it's 9:12. We end at 9:30.
Oh,
Take your food Take your food in
Cannot enter my grandmother's home.
You cannot bring food. Why don't you smuggle some food?
I want to get more food. I need
Yeah, go. You want to get your stuff, food stuff. Go and get something, no problem.
It's okay. I got green tea.
Okay, Irhan. Let's see. I think you are getting it, Irhan. Let's see whether it's correct. Congratulations, Mr. Irhan. Can you find out what the number is? What number is that? Can you times it out and find out what number? Congratulations, your answer is correct. Congratulations, Ilhan. Well done. Hayan, congratulations also. Yes, you also got that thing. Now, how do you do that, Hayan? By putting the small digits and all. You must teach me how to do it on WhatsApp. You can use the power number. Wow. Okay. The rest of the students are using what? Are using paper and pencil. So, okay, those of you have forgotten, I assume some of you have forgotten. So now we start dividing by prime numbers. Okay, divide by 2 first. If if you want to find HCF also, then you also use the circling method. Okay, if let's say you want to find the HCF at the same time, make sure you use the circling method. What is the circling method? I'm going to show you. Okay, for LCM, you don't need circle. 30 divided by 2, 15. 57 divided by 54 divided by 2 is 27. This one 90. No, that means all three can divide by circle. Now this circling method is only for HCF. Can they divide by 2 only? Again, only one of them. So let us see. This is 45 lah. The rest cannot divide by 2. We just copy the same thing. All right, we copy the same thing. Now, then what do? We try the next prime number. What's the next prime number? Is 3. 15 can divide by 3, get 5. 27 divided by 3, get 9. 45 divided by 3, you get 15. All 3 can divide by 3, you circle it. Circling is for HCF again, I repeat. Now, then, we try again 3. 3, well, this one cannot, don't circle. This one can, only 3, this one. And then what? Oh, 50, yeah, this one can also, you get 5. Right? Then there's one more 3. So notice I don't increase the prime number until I can divide everything. Then the next one, 5. I don't circle again. Why I don't circle? Because not all the numbers can divide by 5. This one cannot divide by 5. This 54 cannot divide by 5. So this is now, I take 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. That's your LCM. 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 3 times 5. This is your LCM. If you times it out, you get 540. That's your LCM. Okay, your LCM is you times all this number. And then what's your HCF? HCF, just take the circle one and times. 2 times 3. That's your HCF. HCF is 6. What does HCF mean? HCF means the biggest number that all three numbers can be divided by. The biggest number, 30, 54, and 180 can be divided by is 6. 30 can divide by 6, get 5. 54 can divide by 6, get 9. 180 can divide by 6 and you get 30. So this is highest. Then what about LCM? What do we use it for? We use it like that lah. 1 over 30 plus 1 over, example lah, 1 over 54 plus, let's say, 3 over 180. And they ask, what number do we use to make the denominator? So now you use LCM, you know that the smallest possible denominator is 540. So you can times whatever to get 540 lah. That's what it means. So again, for this question, the LCM is 540. Congratulations to those who got your answer. Okay, we have another 12 minutes more. Okay, we want you now to this one. Express 600 as the product of its prime numbers. You may need to do the same method. All right. Please do, Ilhan. Please do. Don't need to the thing. Just do. Go get it. Okay. Wow. Wow. Here, thank you very much. I think maybe iPhone may not have it. $8100 is not, Shafika, good try. You know how to do, Shafika? You know how to do, Ika, you know how to do, no, Ika? Yes, okay, yes. Yeah, you got to note a little bit that thing because your image is small. So if you do not know how to that thing, remember what we did just now to get the prime factor. All right, we have here now with the answer to question number 11. Let us see. Congratulations, Hian. Congratulations. Maybe you can try the next one then. Okay, let's try. This will be the last question, but I'm going to go a little bit deep into this question. We have 8 minutes more, and Sophia, are you okay, Sophia? Sophia, you okay? You doing? Are you following? Yes. I'm just very curious why you're covering your mouth. I don't know. You tell me, someone let out gas in here. Yeah, okay, I understand. It's okay. You, Safika, where are you? Don't follow your cousin. Your cousin, I do not know where's your cousin. She does not been communicating with me. She does not like me anymore. I'm so sad. Hira. Are you there, Hira? I'm here. Why your voice so rough? I'm having sore throat. Okay, come on, Hira. Try this one. Do you remember how to do that, Hira? I think so. Come on, Hira. Hey, Ian, you remember how to use the prime factorization to find the HCF? Do you remember? If you remember, if not, we will show you. Okay, I think I need to just run through this one with everyone in case they have forgotten. Okay, so you draw a line down here. Just draw a line like that. Okay, write 600 here. Okay, Sophia, write 600. Then you do like this. Now you start with the smallest prime number. 2. Okay, 2. So you get 300. Some more? Divide some more. Can divide by 2 not? Can divide by 2, continue 2. 150. Can divide some more? Yeah, can divide by 2 again. 2. 75. Can divide by 2 not? Cannot. Divide by 3 lah now. Can divide by 3? I think can divide by 3. Get 25, I think. 3 again. Cannot divide by 3 now. Can divide by 5. 5. Get 5. Divide by 5. Then you get 1. So what do? You take 600. This is equals to what? Oh, just 60. Hold on. Okay. So 600 is equals to, let's count how many 2s there. 1, 2, 3. So 2 to the power of 3 times 3 times 3 to the power of what? 1. Don't need to write the 1 here. 3 times 3, that means it's understood. Times 5 to the power of 2. This is the prime factorization. This is product of the prime factors. You already answered the question. How to do? Just write 600 here, divide by the prime number. Must be prime numbers. You cannot put 4 down here. No. 600 divided by 4, you get 150. Cannot. You must use prime factors. Prime numbers here. So now, how to find the HCF? Okay, very simple. You look this one and this one. What are the same numbers they have? Okay, I'm going to write it down for you. For 600, I'm going to write down. For 600, this is 600. What's the number? 2 to the power of 3 times 3 times 5 to the power of 2. And then for 1440 is 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5. Now, how to do HCF? You don't need to do this all over again. Just using the prime factorization for HCF. Watch. Take the smaller number of the 2. Oh, this one is smaller. Must be same number. You have 2, this one have 2. This one 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 5. Take smaller one down here. You see, 3 is smaller than 3 to the power of 2. So take this one. 5 is smaller than 5 to the power of 2. So they want to give you answer index notation. So your answer is 2 to the power of 3 times 3 times 5. That's your answer. I repeat, for HCF, you take the smaller one, 2 to the power of 3, and this one 3 and 5. These are smaller of the 2. If they ask you for LCM of the 2 numbers, how to do? Okay, similar. This time you take the bigger one. Say bigger one. Okay, I'll show you now. 2 to the power of 3. This is, I'm writing here. This is for 600 times 3 times 5 to the power of 2. It is 5 to the power 2. And then now here for 1440 is 2 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 2 times 5. So now for LCM, take the bigger one. So what's the bigger one? I'll go use another color. Bigger one, 2 to the power 5. Bigger one, 3 to the power 2. Bigger one, 5 to the power 2. So if they ask you what's the LCM, 2 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2. You ask for HCF, go for the smaller one. So this is the correct answer. All right, are we lost? Are we okay? I do not know where some of you all are, but I think maybe we will stop here. Is that okay? You got any questions for me? No? I can go on, not a problem. But I do not know whether you all are able to absorb. Okay, let me just check whether anyone sent me a message here. Send me a message. 2 to the power of 3. I think there's also 5, right? Times 5. You saw the answer, right? That's not here. I showed you. I forgot what's the answer. But that is the answer, which is actually HCF. HCF is 2 to the power 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll meet you again next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.